both of them, hindi na pwede magpatuloy pa si Bongbong Marcos dahil tuliro na sila. He is on drugs. Maliwanag, harap-harapan na itong kalukuhan na ginagawa nila. Walang mangyayari, walang maglakas loob, kagaya ni Saldico. Paano nagkaroon ng 90 na security nung ginagamit nila si Saldico? Ngayon, pinapauli na nila dahil kumanta. So, maliwanag na sila may kagawa nito. It's not enough that Martin Romualdez should be charged alone. Pareho sila. Pareho sila dahil sila nakakalam nito. Silang gumawa nito. Marcos Jr., Bongbong Marcos, alam niya lahat ng kalokohan. Panahon pa ni President Noynoy Aquino, panahon pa ni President Duterte, may nangyayari ng ganyan pero maliitan. Ngayon, alam niya, hindi niya binuko dahil kung bubukuhin niya, hindi na siya makagawa ng pera. He chose, pinili niya ang gumawa ng pera. Total, walang aangal. May kasalanan na lahat. Yun ang totoo nangyari.
Follow-up question, sir. When do you plan to go to Malacanang to debate with the President? And how do you intend to help Divine Providence along? Because you mentioned that 40 years after EDSA, so with 40 years, 40 is a very important, auspicious number. How do you help, how do you intend to help Divine Providence along? Apart from the rally, apart from the debate, apart from the letter to General Bonner, what else do you want? What else are you willing to do?
Kung anong rason nila na bakit nandiyan pa sila, yun, magdadebate kami doon. Anong rason nila? Dahil ako, nasabi ko na lahat. Divine Providence, dahil nga inantay ko itong 40th year, very symbolic ang number 40 in the Bible. Maski sa Islam, mayroon din number 40. So, yun, nasisiguro ko, I'm dead sure that matatanggal. Hindi pwede ipagpatuloy itong ganitong gobyerno. Niluloko na tayo. Hindi pwede, mga kababayan, huwag tayo pumayag na ipagpatuloy ito. Tuloy-tuloy na pagnanakaw nila hanggang maubos ang pera. Kinuha na lahat. Pera ang taong bayan, yung PhilHealth, PDIC, kinuha. Wala na. Hindi na mapatakbo itong gobyerno ito. Sinasagad nila. Tapos tatakbo na lang.
Sorry, when, sir? When are you going to Malacanang?
ASAP. Sinasabi ko na ngayon. Kung bukas ang sinabi nila, pupunta ako sa Malacanang. If they accept my challenge. And yung one time, big time, the soonest possible, one time, big time na rally, ASAP din. The soonest possible time, but I have to talk to all the religious organization, lahat ng ayaw ng graft and corruption, lahat ng Pilipino, kaliwa o kanan, masisino. Basta sama-sama po tayong lahat para mahinto na itong garapalan na pagnanakaw ng kaban ng bayan.
Yeah, Christian Manesa po, Malaya Business Insight. Mr. Chavit, just going to ask about, in 2022, you made a statement in ABS-CBN regarding that all Marcos assets are not ill-gotten wealth. Why now parang different na yung sinasabi niyo po regarding sa Marcos has been being corrupt since his father time. Ano po yung masasabi natin, explanation po natin doon?
Gusto niya lampasan tatay niya eh. Nasa Guinness Book of Record ng tatay nila.
Opo.
So, I think he's destined. That's why I believe in God, I believe in miracle, and I believe in destiny. He is destined to the throne of his father in the Guinness Book of Record.
Okay. Another question po, regarding po dun sa yung being fighting against the government. Sir, medyo may history tayo sa politics na parang medyo wary ang public. Pero how can you convince everyone that you're more credible as a person who are sitting in the administration or whatever na inaccuse natin po?
Ano ibig sabihin?
Yung ano po, sir, you mean, what you're accusing now is, syempre, is very big. Eh. Ang ano namin is yung sinasabi, syempre, automatic they will try to debunk or discredit what you're saying. What are you going to present na as a person na mas credible yung sinasabi nyo kaysa sa mga ipapalabas ngayon ng, syempre magka-counterattack yung mga inakisan nyo, particularly.
More credible yung sinasabi ko kay sila?
Opo, sir.
And ang liwanag na nakawan, naka-record. Naka-record lahat ang nakawan. Anong mapapala ko diyan? Wala akong mapapala. I stand to lose everything. Pero ginagawa ko ito para sa ating kababayan. I want justice.